So we'll come in the morning, get here around 7 o'clock, and we'll go up, get our emails from whatever's been sent in from the day, and kind of hatch out a plan. You don't know if, one day you could be pouring concrete and setting benches, and the next day you're fixing fences, and you could be cutting holes in steel and hanging them on things. And so you never know. You kind of have to be a jack of all trades.
I do. I enjoy it. I enjoy the company that I work with. I enjoy the guys that I work with. I enjoy the reason that I come to work. I have grandchildren and children that have all come through the St. Tammany Parish School System, and in order to keep it running smoothly and safely and comfortably, I think I enjoy being a part of that.
I have kids that go to school in this district, just like most of the people that work here. The importance of having a good school, just so important. You don't want your kids in a classroom where things are falling off or not working correctly, and being able to come in and take care of those things and make sure that those things are working is really one of the best parts of the job.
The kids are the future of our parish, of our country, and to keep them comfortable and safe and make sure that everything's running in order. I mean, it's a very rewarding thing to do, to make sure that our kids are taken care of.